Hey dolls, I was asked to do a how to make my U-part wig video. This is a U-part wig slash full wig, and I'm using my Anna cap, which I do recommend that, and the spandex dome cap by Mr. Durag. So I'm going to start off by sewing the sides of my closure. That closure is the Malaysian Body Wave 16 inch by Aliexpress by Beauty Forever, which is on Aliexpress. So we'll have that link below. And basically I'm sewing the other side down because I don't want to sew down the complete side then go on to the other. I want to like kind of do midway and then so midway on both sides and eventually meet up, because your closure will be a little off and a little crooked, and we don't want that when you're sewing down your closure, because I made that mistake before and I know not to do it again. So just like sew down like a half of your closure. So now we're finally getting to the bundles. That is the Malaysian Body Wave 20 inch by the same vendor on AliExpress, link below for that as well. And I like to sew the hair to that flap, going all the way down to the baseline, then going around to the other flap to the edge of the ear. And I don't cut my wefts, I just basically fold them over. Once I get to the end of the cap, I fold it over and just continue stitching and sewing. And then once I get to like halfway out, like if I'm missing a piece, I would just go in with another bundle and just sew that in. Like, see what I'm saying? It's like, you sew, fold it over until you're finished with that bundle, and then you go to another one. Like I'm on this second bundle right here, and I'm just sewing. As you can see, the edge isn't cut, it's folded over. So I began to run out of hair. So what I did was sewed the leftover hair that I had from the Aliexpress hair and sewed it around the closure. And then later on, I'm just going to wedge some other random hair that I have around the house in between the gaps and just try to fill it in. But I do want the top piece. I want the bundles that I'm sewing in to be covered with the actual hair. So I recommend having at least 4 to 3 bundles, depends on where you get your hair from. But I needed 4. But anytime you got anything longer than 18, I recommend getting 4 bundles of it. But yeah, I just sewed that and then I flipped it over and sewed the rest, and then I wedged in a couple of pieces, as I said earlier, into there, and that's what I'm doing, basically just filling in the gaps of the hair. I'm finally finished with my full wig. If you guys don't recognize this wig, this is the one that I ombre. Yeah, it's just a full wig. Hair will be linked below. Closure will be linked below, everything. If you guys want to see how I ombre that hair, click that window right there. And if you guys want to see how I styled it, you click that window right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.